And I was also interested in...
Put your hand in mine, follow me, let me waste your time, set up.
So this is totally not the setup that I wanted to film this video in, but I am missing a piece to my ring light. So I'm supposed to be able to put my camera onto this and slide it on my ring light, and I'm missing a piece. And I've been searching high and low, and I want to do this video before the family gets home. So I'm just going to go ahead and just film this video. I have no idea where that piece went. It's frustrating me. Better. As promised, I wanted to do my Amazon beauty favorites video. And you're gonna notice that there is a theme to this video, okay? Because a lot of this stuff is very soft, plushy stuff. I don't know why, but it just happened to be this way. So let's just start out with what's right in front of me. And that are these poofs. No, sorry. These poofs right here. Yayo Twin. I don't know. That's it. And I believe it came with, I think it came with 2 of these and then 3 of these big black ones. But they're just like makeup poofs. I believe I gave my friend Prissy 1 of each. I can't quite remember what I gave her. I know I gave her 1, or I might have given her 2 because I only ended up with 1 small one. And then I have 2 big ones. I got these off of Amazon. I'm like out of breath because I've been searching high and low for that stupid piece to my camera. These are just really nice, soft poofs, and I just use it to apply my powder. So I had originally bought the Tati, what did she call it? Blendiful. And when I went to wash it, it ripped. And so I was like really disappointed because I spent 20 bucks on this and the little one. I think it was like $20. It was like $21 or $23 after shipping and all that. I wanted something comparable to that. So I was looking on Amazon and I found these poofs, and these are really nice. So they're really nice, and it says you can use them wet or dry. I haven't tried them wet. So yes, this is always in my routine, or it's, you know, for the most part, it's in my routine when I want to put on powder. I'll actually sometimes also use it when I want to like just kind of just, you know, mattify my skin or just set everything down. I like to use this small one. The big one I haven't used, but I'm sure it's just as good. It's just a lot larger, but yes, those I highly recommend. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to talk about, hold on one second. So I had wanted something to travel my makeup sponges. I was also interested in those Juno velvet sponges. So my favorite way to apply makeup, like foundation or blend out concealer, is with makeup sponges. So I was interested in that Juno & Co. one. And I also needed something to travel, you know, have, like if I was going somewhere, I wanted something to be able to put my sponge in. So I got this, and it was a little system. I'm going to try to link it down below, or something similar. Let me just tell you. So anyways, I wanted a system, and I mainly bought the sponge for this thing right here, but it's just an egg to put your sponges in, and you can see there that there is some holes down the bottom to let it breathe. And yeah, that's just what I bought to travel with. Shane XO, she always talks about face halos, and she lives in New Zealand, and I'm not about to pay shipping and handling for New Zealand. So I went online and I found these. This one is dirty. You can see I've been using it. And then I think this is the one. They came with reusable cotton pads. So you have this size. There's no difference in the two right here. So you have a tan and a white one. And then you also have, so you had like 3 white ones, 2 tan ones, and then a white, got fluffies here, fell down here with my doggies. So you got this color, and this color. This one's a lot more plushy. Cotton pads. And then these face halos. So it gives you 5 face halos. And then these here, reusable makeup remover pads. So this is like the way this consists. So these are terry cloth or microfiber. I'll wet them and I'll put a little bit of my makeup, like oil, and I'll use one side like for my oil to clean off my face, and then I'll rinse it real quick and I'll flip it on the other side and I'll put a little soap, and I've just double cleansed my face, and it was really easy. Yes, so I really enjoy these face halos. And this is from Solar Matrix. So this came in like a real nice black carrying case, but I went ahead and I got rid of that. And then this is a very soft velvety material, and this is going to be more like your makeup remover towels. What are those called? Makeup remover towels? I don't know. So these two right here are that kind of softness. They're just super duper soft. So I don't use these to remove my, to wash my face, whereas these I use more to wash my face. And then when I want to spare some cotton balls, I will use these to just do like some astringent or toner. So I really do like the set. It came with all of those, and then it came with this bag to wash your dirty, so you know, once you get a bunch, then you just zip it up, throw it in your washing machine, and you have reusable face cloths basically. So I really enjoy these, and if you're gonna take anything out of this video, take that. I'm gonna leave all the links down below. I'm not one of those big YouTubers that have like an Amazon shop, so I'm not making any money off these recommendations. I just feel like if you want some really good tools to do your makeup or remove your makeup, these are good tools for you. So on that same line, shopping, or I was actually on Facebook, Campanelli brand is a recommendation from QVC to me because I'm always buying things from them. Let me start out with these. So I first got these right here, and these are meant for dusting mainly. But my daughter, she's a preteen and she needs to wash her face all the time because she's getting those little, you know, lovely acne, you know, breakouts. And so then she was like, Mommy, the washcloths are too, you know, harsh on my skin. And so I was like, you know what? Because these came in like a small, I didn't grab them all because they're in my laundry room with my cleaning cabinet. So this little set here came with small ones. And I'm like, those are perfect for her to wash her face with. I bought purple for her. I originally bought blue for all my dusting needs. And then when she was saying she needed something to wash her face, I was like, okay, let me get these for her, but in purple because purple's her favorite color. That way we could distinguish, like the blue is for dusting, and then these purple ones are for, you know, for us, for our faces or whatever. So Mama took the big ones, and they call these the teddy bear. It's by Campanelli. They call these like their teddy bear microfiber towels because they're really soft. So I originally started out with these, the teddy bear brand. And to be honest, I use these so much that I don't really get a chance to use the big ones. My daughter does use hers, and like I said, her size, because it came with small ones about this size and then it came with these large ones, my daughter gets a lot of use out of hers. She uses hers all the time. So then, again, I'm on Facebook, and they, you know, are doing recommendations, and because I've bought Campanelli brand before, they were like, hey, we have these now. So they had a set of 12, but it's because it's this and this, and it came with 6 boxes, and it was $30. Well, if you shop through QVC, you're going to have to pay shipping and handling, which is either $3.50 or $5.99, and you're going to have to pay taxes. So I was like, you know what? I've seen Campanelli, and it also came in a really cute bag that's this color, but it has my lady, monthly lady items in it, and it's in my purse. So just imagine these in a cute little bag that you can use to put your monthly lady stuff in. These are makeup wipes, makeup remover wipes, if I haven't said it yet. Makeup remover towel. And these are also on Amazon. I bought the blue ones on QVC, and then when my daughter was talking about how she needed it, I got these off of Amazon. Moving on to these. Now these are a totally different material. These are super duper soft. They feel like these. 2 different brands. So I see the Campanelli brand off of QVC, and I'm like, let me go look on Amazon again, because I've gotten these on Amazon. I'm like, let me go and see if, you know, they have these. Totally had them. Same price, $30, but it was it. $30 plus like tax. So I skipped the whole shipping and handling. Now, if you do order through QVC, you are going to be able to split your payments if you have a Q card, which I do. But I was like, you know what? I can afford the $30 plus the tax and skip the whole shipping and handling stuff. So I was able to get these, and I've given my little one, I've given my daughter, my preteen, I gave her some, not to remove makeup because she's not wearing makeup, but just to wash her face because it's so soft. And then I gifted one of these to my girlfriend, and you know, just because it came in little cute little boxes, so I went ahead and gifted her those. I believe the last thing I'm going to talk about are these makeup sponges. So as I've said, I love makeup sponges to apply my makeup. I kept getting those amazing deals, or Amazon will send you an alert that like these, you'll get a special deal, and it was these pack of sponges. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sponges, 9 sponges, and this little holder. So this holds my wet or my dirty sponge for like $7. I think I paid $7. Yeah, so there's 9 sponges and then this little holder. And I think I paid $7. So, what I would advise is if it's not cheap when I link it, which I don't think it's going to be any more than $10, then save it to your wish list, and if it comes up on sale, it will alert you. So, yeah, these actually are really nice sponges. When I first took it out of the bag, I was like, oh, these are hard as a rock. Let me show you the shapes. So this one has that funky shape. This is like the L'Oreal brand that I have loved and used. So, and then there's this one. This is like just like a total dupe of the Beauty Blender. Come on there you go. Total dupe of the Beauty Blender. And then you have another one that's eggy shaped, just a different color. You have 3 colors of this version, and this is how big it gets. See, this, I just used this, and then this is it dry. I've never used these, but so you can see how big and fluffy, and it does, you know, it's very bouncy. So I mean, I can't go wrong with it, right? $7 for really good sponges. Hello. 3 of the Beauty Blender shapes. So here are the 3 Beauty Blender shapes. Then you get 3 of this shape, which has like a slant shape, which is really nice for getting underneath your eyes, you know, blending out your concealer, and then, or also you could do the little, you know, tip to get in there. But it came with all of those for $7. So if you were going to take anything away from this, you know, if you're not getting those face halos, if you're like, I'm cool with my washcloths, or I'm cool with my, you know, Neutrogena wipes or whatever, okay, but these little spongies here, these were pretty awesome. So I will link, and this is by Terresa, teresabeauty.com. So that's it. Some Campanelli stuff, some Yeo Twin, whatever it's called, the Solar Matrix. These are probably my favorite things to use out of all of the things, because it just makes my face cleaning so much easier. Because, you know, at the end of the night on a really long day, and you got to take all your makeup off, you're like, do I really want to wash and then wash my face again? Because you should always double cleanse, because what you missed the first time, you're probably going to catch it the second time. So again, these are really good. But that is it for my Amazon favorites in beauty. I thought I had more, but apparently, oh, one more thing. Sometimes makeup is cheaper on Amazon. Sometimes it's the same price. Sometimes it's something you can't find, and so you go on Amazon to find it. So I had a small version of this Laura Geller Baked Bronze in Brighton in medium, and I loved it so much that I wanted a new one. Or I wanted a big one. I wanted a full-size one. So I go into Ulta, and Ulta has stopped selling Laura Geller. Go on QVC, and it's like, I don't know, $32 to $36 plus shipping and handling. And I think it even had a brush that I was supposed to get with it that made it even more. So I went on Amazon, and I found my beloved Laura Geller Bronze in Brighton in medium. Someone's down here bugging me. She is down here and she won't leave me alone. She wants something. She probably needs to go. It's a dog, by the way. It's not my kid. Anyways, this right here I purchased off of Amazon. Love Laura Geller's Baked in Bronze and Brighton or whatever. It's really good. I thought I had more to show you, but apparently I don't. And apparently I have like all fluffy things to show you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, if you love me, give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Sure, if you want. What's on the way? I guess, Jack in the Box. Okay. Alright. Okay, bye. Love you, bye.
See? See who's down here? Oh, now both of them are down here. Look at this. Look at this. Hello? Hey. Who's down here interrupting my videos? Uh-huh. Yep. How do I look? I'm getting maskne. Like all my pores are all gross. COVID, go away.